Is your specific person not conforming to your desires? Perhaps they're not giving you the attention you desire. Perhaps they're ignoring you or even ghosting you. Maybe there's a third party involved. Well, try the flip the script technique. It works and it's extremely powerful. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, I want to remind you now is the perfect time to claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Look at you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend upon. Give us a call. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your free 30 minutes while it's still available. Lawofattractionsolutions.com. Neville Goddard says the following: everyone is you pushed out. What Neville is doing is he's explaining how we're all part of the universal mind, the universal consciousness. We're all interconnected. The important thing to remember is that you are co creator of your reality. And when you believe that, when you understand and take responsibility and say, look at the reality that I'm living, I've created, or at least I'm partially responsible for. When you understand that, then you also understand you can create a brand new reality. So, if it's true that we're all interconnected, then think about this. Think about this, high flyers. Your specific person's thoughts and emotions and feelings can affect you no matter where you're at in the world. And your thoughts and emotions and feelings can affect your specific person. You literally have the power to change their consciousness, to change their behavior. It's an awesome power. So, caution, be careful. So, the key to understanding how you get your specific person to conform to your desires is to understand that what we whisper to ourselves within our mind is what we will see mirrored back to us in our 3D reality. So, in order to get your specific person to conform to your desires, you must first change the conversation in your head. You must change the inner dialogue that you are currently having. The easiest and fastest way to get your specific person to conform to your desires is to flip the script. Flipping the script takes you out of the state of neediness and wanting and hoping and wishing. Flipping the script immediately puts you in the state of receiving. And that's a good place to be. Okay, here's how to do it. It's pretty simple, and you can do it starting today. Let's say you're thinking about your specific person and you're really missing them. You're really missing being close to them or spending time with them or even talking to them. What do? You immediately flip the script. You begin talking to them in your mind and you acknowledge how much they miss you and how much they want to spend time with you. And maybe you even thank them for texting you and keeping in touch with you. In other words, you've taken your desires and you flipped the script and you've made it their desire. I love this technique because it's so effective. You might say something like, I know we haven't been in contact, and I understand how much you miss me. And I really do appreciate you texting me and keeping in touch. Maybe you're thinking about how much you love them, how deeply you feel for them. And maybe it kind of hurts because they're not around. Flip the script. In your mind, say, oh, I'm so grateful that you love me, that you're telling me how much you love me and you care about me, that you're finally opening up your feelings to me. And it just makes me feel so wonderful that you love me and care about me this much. You see, the key is you always want to maintain a mental and vibrational state that you have a deep, loving, happy, committed relationship with your specific person. So anytime a negative thought comes into your mind, you flip the script and make it positive and make it coming from them. In other words, instead of you saying how much I miss them or how much I want them, it's them saying how much they miss you and want to be with you. It's really based on Neville Goddard's law of assumption. Maybe there's been a third party involved in your relationship and you haven't been happy about it. And you've been putting a lot of your focus on the third party, which is the last place you want to put it, because when we focus on something, it tends to get bigger. So instead, imagine getting that text or that phone call where your specific person is telling you, hey, it's just going to be you and I from here on out. There's nobody else. I don't want anybody else. I'm not going to be with anybody else. Just you and I. And then imagine yourself saying the following back. Babe, you have no idea how happy you've made me telling me it's just us, the two of us, going forward. The more you practice the flip the script technique in your mind throughout the day, don't allow these negative thoughts to fester and grow. Immediately flip the script. The more you do that, the more the new reality that's taking place in your mind, the reality that you are whispering in your own brain, that reality will start to be reflected to you, mirrored back to you by the universe in the 3D. In other words, put simply, you're going to experience it quickly in the 3D. Now, how fast can this work? I've seen it work in 3 days. I've seen it work in 2 days. I've actually seen it work in 24 hours or less. So use the flip the script method. By the way, I want to remind you of one thing that I think is important. Our subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite. It's how we change everything. Everything and anything that's ever been created by a human being in this world first took place in the mind. We can help you with your subconscious mind. When your subconscious mind believes a new reality, that new reality comes into manifestation. I've created miraclehypnosisonline.com. Miraclehypnosisonline.com. There's all kinds of programs there, meditations, deep mind programs, mind altering programs. Look, you can try it for 3 days absolutely free. Miraclehypnosisonline.com. And now this next video is going to help you flip the script even more with your specific person.